All right, so I'm going to do 43 times 21, and I'm going to do it with standard algorithm and with the array model next to it. So I'll do both at the same time. Now, I've already set up my array model. I broke 43 into 40 and 3, and I broke 21 into 20 and 1. There's definitely different ways to break those numbers down, but I just chose this way because it's the most simple and it kind of goes along with standard algorithm. So when I'm doing the standard algorithm, the first thing I'm going to do is 3 times 1. I'm going to start on the right in the ones place, right? Start with the smallest. And I know that 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Nice and easy. And if I look over here in my array, 1 times 3, well, that would be this box as well. I could put a 3 in that box because 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So I'm doing the same thing in both situations. Now, back to standard algorithm. So the next thing I need to do is 1 times 4. But that's not really a 4, right? It's a 4 in 43, which makes it a 40. So what I'm really doing is 40 times 1. And what I can do two things. I could either, down here under the 3, I could just add 40, right? Just another thing that we're going to have to add together at the end. Or, since I know that 40 plus 3 is equal to 43, well, I could just really quickly add that 4 right in front, and I have 43. That makes sense, right? 1 times 43 is equal to 43. And if I look at my array, 1 times 40, well, that's this box right here, and I can just add 40. Look at that. Now let's move on to the 2. So let's start with 2 times 3, which is really 20 times 3, right? And 20 times 3, well, that would be equal to 60. If I look in my array, here is the 20 times 3. That would be this box, would be where I would put 60. Then, last but certainly not least, I need to do 20 times 40. 2 times 4, which I really know is 20 times 40. And 20 times 40, that's equal to 800. So I need to put 8 into the hundreds place. 800 goes right here. That's in the hundreds place. So I know I did the right thing. And then I'm going to add into my array model where I have 20 times 40, 800. Look at that. So we've done all the same steps both times, if you noticed. Now, the last thing I need to do is add, right? In an array model, I'm going to add up all these numbers. I'm going to do 800 plus 60 plus 40 plus 3, and that's equal to 903. Then standard algorithm, same thing, right? I want to add these two products together. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 4 is 10. So I'm going to carry the 1 and put the 0 down here. And 8 plus 1 gets us to 903. So we got the same answer both times. So I know I did it right. And I like to do the little check just to confirm that, yep, I did do it the right way.